In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large videos on Gmail. If you've ever tried to share a video over email and found it to be an impossible task due to size limits, you're not alone, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the steps to make this easy and stress-free. First, let's talk about why this can be a challenge. Gmail has attachment size limits, and when it comes to videos, you often hit those limits pretty quickly. The maximum file size for attachments in Gmail is 25 megabytes. That's not much when you're talking about high-resolution video files. But here's the good news: with Google Drive, Gmail's integrated cloud storage service, you can skirt around this limitation. Here's how you can do it. Start by opening your Gmail app or visiting the Gmail website from your preferred web browser. Click on Compose to start a new email message. As you're setting up your message, consider what form your content should take. Think about whether you want to add any context or details in the body of your email regarding the video you're sharing. Now moving on to the crucial part, sending that large video. You'll want to upload your video to Google Drive first. If the video is already saved there, you're a step ahead, but if not, go to Google Drive, click on the New button, then select File Upload. Navigate to the location on your device where your video file is stored, select it, and click Open to begin the upload process. Remember, this can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and the size of the video, so patience is key. After your video is uploaded, switch back to your Gmail window with your new email message open. In the Compose window, you'll see a small drive icon toward the bottom toolbar. Click on this, and it will open a dialog box with your Google Drive contents displayed. Locate and select your uploaded video file, then click Insert to add it to your email as a link. Before hitting send, there's an important step to ensure the recipient can view your video: setting share permissions. Click on the link in your email draft, and you'll see options for sharing permissions. You might give the recipient view-only privileges, or if you want them to make comments or edits, adjust the settings accordingly. It's important to make sure these settings match your intent for sharing the video. Finally, double-check your email to see if anything needs attention, like a subject line or additional attachments, and then click Send. Congratulations! You've just successfully sent a large video file using Gmail. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to share sizable videos without a fuss. I hope this helps you save time and avoid frustration in the future. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks.